Ever thought about diving into the world of trading? It's a dynamic field where you can learn, grow, and even have some fun along the way. It might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. With the right guidance and a bit of practice, you'll be navigating the markets like a pro. This guide will break down the basics of trading in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Get ready to learn about different trading strategies, from day trading to long-term investing. Each strategy has its own unique approach and benefits. We'll also dive into important concepts like bull and bear markets, helping you understand market trends and how to react to them. And of course, we'll guide you on how to take your first steps in the market. From setting up your trading account to making your first trade, we've got you covered. Trading can be a thrilling and rewarding journey filled with opportunities for financial growth and personal development. So let's get started and unlock the exciting world of trading together. Trading is like a giant marketplace where you buy and sell things, but instead of groceries or clothes, you're dealing with stocks, bonds, currencies, and other financial instruments. Think of it like buying and selling pieces of companies or other assets. The goal is to buy low and sell high, making a profit from the price difference. Sounds simple, right? It can be, but it also requires knowledge, strategy, and a bit of luck. Just like there are different ways to shop, there are different styles of trading. Day trading is like a quick trip to the store. You buy and sell within the same day, aiming for small, quick profits. Swing trading is more like a weekly shopping spree, holding trades for a few days or weeks to catch bigger price swings. Then there's position trading, which is like investing in a long-term relationship. You hold trades for months or even years, aiming for substantial growth over time. Now let's talk about some key concepts you'll come across in the trading world. Understanding these concepts is crucial for making informed decisions and navigating the complexities of the market. A bull market is like a party where everyone's buying and prices are going up. It's characterized by optimism, investor confidence, and expectations that strong results will continue. A bear market is the opposite. It's like a downer where everyone's selling and prices are falling. This period is marked by widespread pessimism and a decline in investor confidence. Risk and reward go hand in hand. Every investment carries a certain level of risk, and understanding this balance is key to successful trading. The higher the potential reward, the higher the risk you're taking. It's important to assess your risk tolerance and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Diversification is like spreading your eggs into different baskets. It helps you manage risk by not putting all your money in one place. By investing in a variety of assets, you can protect yourself against significant losses in any one area. Ready to dip your toes into the trading waters? First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Think of it like your trading headquarters. Choose a reputable broker that offers a user-friendly platform and educational resources. Next, do your research. Learn about different trading strategies, financial markets, and the assets you're interested in. Practice makes perfect, so start with a simulated trading account. It's like playing a trading game with virtual money, allowing you to test your strategies without risking real cash. As you embark on your trading journey, keep these golden rules in mind. They will serve as your guiding principles, helping you navigate the often turbulent waters of the financial markets. Practice, practice, practice. The more you trade, the better you'll become at understanding market trends and refining your strategies. Just like any other skill, trading requires consistent effort and dedication. Use simulators and demo accounts to hone your skills without risking real money. Patience is key. Don't expect to get rich quickly. The market rewards those who are willing to wait for the right opportunities. Avoid the temptation to chase quick profits, as this often leads to costly mistakes. Trading takes time, discipline, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Keep a trading journal to document your trades, strategies, and the lessons you learn along the way. This will help you identify patterns and improve your decision-making process. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about market news, economic events, and industry trends. Subscribe to financial news outlets, follow market analysts, and participate in trading forums to stay updated. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. Understanding the broader economic context can give you an edge in predicting market movements and identifying profitable opportunities. So there you have it, a beginner's crash course in trading. Remember, every successful trader started where you are now. With persistence and a commitment to learning, you can achieve your trading goals. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of trading is vast and ever-evolving. There's always more to learn and explore. Dive deeper into the subject by reading books, taking courses, and exploring financial websites. Continuous education is crucial for staying ahead in the game. With dedication, patience, and a thirst for knowledge, you can navigate the markets and potentially achieve your financial goals. Happy trading! Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process and keep pushing forward.